stuff in the corner here. And yeah, so we're just gonna keep on keeping on. So, right, Astro? Huh, buddy? We're gonna keep on keeping on, right? We might leave a couple pictures in the house, like that one and the other one that's in the hallway. This is another drawing my dad did, so that will go in last. So we have Christmas stuff up, but only a tiny little bit, just enough to say Merry Christmas. The rest of it is just stacked there. And so we're trying to enjoy the Christmas holiday, but just don't want to take any more stuff out that we'll have to pack. We got rid of all the stuff off the cabinets in here except for a couple items. My mom just got me that, so that will be going with it. As far as our just the rest of the stuff, like plates and stuff like that, we're gonna probably wait until right after Christmas and just pack up the whole kitchen. So the animals have found new homes. We dispatched the rabbits and eating that for their meat. And so yeah, we just got a lot of progress going, but still a lot more to go. So yeah, exciting stuff. These are those pictures you hang on the wall. This is when we got engaged. And they have those stickers on them. So we're going to keep them separate. But I'm cutting these parchment paper. In pieces so I can stick them on the back. So I can stack them and then wrap them in paper. And I stack them like so I don't have to use so much parchment. Make sure my countertop is clean. So I'm using 3 pieces of parchment paper for 6 pictures. And there's stuff like that, and I'll put it in the box. Good. So we'll see you guys next time. This is just a quick update on, and the bone. Get the bone. Norman.
Get a bone. What's wrong with you?